This is a video on adjusting the rear brakes on the Balto. On our website, we have available our brake caliper adjusting tool, which is used to adjust the distance between your brake pads and your rotor. To start things out with, we want to take our rear cable adjuster and we want to screw it in all the way so it is against the bracket, and we want to do the same thing on the handlebar. We want to take it and we want to turn it to make sure that it is adjusted in as close as it can be to the handlebar, brake handle. Then what we want to do is we want to loosen everything up. We want to loosen our cable adjusting nut. We want to loosen it up so that our lever is free. We also want to loosen the two vertical bolts which hold the brake assembly. Then what we want to do, we want to take our brake caliper adjusting tool. We want to slip it over our disc brake. And then we want to take our brake assembly and we want to rotate that caliper tool so it fits inside between the disc pads on our brake. Then we'll take our tool. I'm going to press outward on the brake assembly with my thumb, and I'm going to take and tighten down the brake assembly vertical bolts. Once we have those tightened, we're going to adjust our brake cable lever. I'm just going to put the tool in there. I'm going to hold on to the brake cable. I'm going to rotate the lever as far forward as I can, and then I want to tighten the bolt in our brake lever. Okay. Then I'm going to rotate my tire reverse so that our brake adjusting tool will come out. I will take it off of the brake disc. Now we want to check our brake lever. We'll come up here, we'll grab a hold of our brake lever, and we want to squeeze our brake lever. When we squeeze it as tight as you can squeeze it, you still want to have room to put your fingers in between the brake lever and the handlebar. If you do not have room to do that, you need to go back through and recheck your adjustments on your brake cable back here at the back where the lever is at. Now we're ready to take the Balto out for a ride. We want to ride in a place where it's safe, where you don't have to worry about running into anything. Hop on your Balto, take it for a ride, get it up to full speed. Grab your brake lever as hard as you can to put the brake on. You should be able to leave a skid mark. If you cannot leave a skid mark, we need to do some more adjustments on your brake cable length. Back here on the brake assembly housing, we've got this cable adjusting screw. We will turn it counterclockwise, and what I would do is I would do one full complete turn. There's a little nut here. Turn that nut so that it backs against the housing on the brake assembly. Take it back out, give it a ride, apply the brake. If you still can't leave a skid mark, we need to adjust this a little bit more, so turn it out more. Make sure to lock it into place with this nut. Take it back out, take it for a ride, apply the brakes. You should be able to leave a skid mark. If you're unable to leave a skid mark, you need to take it to a bicycle shop so they can do the proper adjustments for you. Enjoy riding your Balto. Have a good day.